These are my UEFA Champions League predictions for today and other football predictions that we have lining up today. We have Real Madrid taking on Leipzig and also Manchester United taking on Copenhagen. So let's get started. The first game we have today is a game in the England Championship where Cardiff City is taking on Huddersfield, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. The next game we have today is still in that England Championship where Queen's Park Rangers is taking on West Bromwich, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. The next game we have is in the UEFA Champions League where Real Madrid is taking on Leipzig, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to Germany lower division where Holstein Kiel is taking on SV Mappen 1912, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game we have is still in that Germany Amateur League where FC Victoria 1889 Berlin is taking on BSG Chemie, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals at full time. We move on to the next game still in that German Amateur League where Lokomotiv Leipzig is taking on Berliner AK 07, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game we have is in Spain La Liga 2 where Maresca March is taking on CS Flora H, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game we have still in Spain Amateur League where Villarreal is taking on Laguna de Duero, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. As you know, we have a premium platform where we share 2 odds on daily basis, also 5 to 20 odds. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp, and also we have a YouTube channel where we share tutorial videos on how to predict football match in different markets. If you want to join us and learn how to predict a football match on your own, go to our YouTube channel with this same name, Moneyline Tips, and watch those tutorial videos. Moving on, we have a game in Spain Amateur League where CD Utiel is taking on Atenisita, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. The last game we have here is still in that Spain Amateur League where CD Acero is taking on CD Senuja. My prediction is under 2.5 goals at full time. That gives us a total of 10 matches, a total of 98. Also, bet responsibly. This is the booking code for this game. For those people using Sportybet, if you are in Ghana, change your country to Nigeria before you load this code, and likewise other countries. So if you are using other platform, kindly go to your local bookmaker and select this game. This is Moneyline. My name is Samuel, and do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Have a lovely day, and always remember to come back to this channel and check out other predictions for the day. Thank you so much.